Hello children. Civics class 6 lesson 2. I'm going to start what is government. So here in this chapter you have to learn about the government of our country. Here one map of our country I have shown here, and this is the part 1 of the chapter. In this chapter you have to learn about what government they used to do and what is government. In introduction part, why actually government is required in one country, that part only we'll discuss. See, every country needs a government to make decisions and get the things done. That means the action part. Decisions, actions. Now what kind of decisions the government they make? Some examples I'm giving here. Suppose where to build roads, where to build schools, how to reduce the price of onions or different kind of vegetables and all in the market, how to increase the supply of electricity. So these are some example I'm giving, like that so many things are there over which the government has to make a decision. Now, some pictures I'm showing which is related to whatever I have told just now. You see the government. Government means the prime minister, the president, the other ministers. They used to do the whatever actions for making after making the decisions and all. That is only given here. And suppose what kind of decision they are taking: to make school, to make road, or to reduce the price of the onion if it is increased, or for the electricity supply. Some example only I am giving here regarding the decisions of the government. Now, actions. What kind of actions of the government? You see, say government has so many schemes to help the poor, to run the postal and railway services, to protect the boundaries of the country, to provide citizens proper healthcare facilities, to provide assistance during calamities to the people, to settle the dispute, etc. Like that, so many variety actions are there. So some actions I'm giving some example here. These are poor people. You see, so many schemes are there. The government they used to do those. This is the Indian Postal Service, Indian Railways. There's a border part I'm showing here, and the healthcare facilities or the disasters during the disaster time. What kind of actions the government used to take? Now, how the government manage all these works? By making some organizations, by making some rules, by exercising leadership, by taking decisions, by implementing these among all the people living in their country. So they are making some organization, they make some rules, they also exercise some leadership. That means different leaders, the ministers, they used to look after different departments and all by taking some decisions, and they implement all these things later on. So how they used to manage? Here some pictures I'm showing here. They used to make the whatever decisions, okay, the rules and all they used to make. This is Supreme Court, one picture, this Parliament, and for that purpose they used to make some leadership for different departments and all, and at last apply for the citizen of our country. Now, here different levels are there. How the government they used to work. Government works at three different levels: at the local level, at the state level, at the national level. Now, local level, if you say, it means in the village area, maybe town or the locality, it may be wherever you are living. State level, it covers the entire state, maybe Assam or it may be Manipur, whatever different states. National level, it covers the entire country. Suppose for the whole country, for India, if they used to do some whatever actions or the decision they used to make. So in this way, three levels are there. At these three levels, the government they used to work. Thanks for watching.